on, everyone? It's Jack with Flip Tech. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're talking about this awesome printer from Brother. It's an all-in-one color inkjet printer, and it looks amazing. And it's also kind of going to be essential to office setup, a home office setup. I'm excited. So, about a year ago, I made another video on a different Brother printer, and you guys seem to like it, and you said more office videos, so this is one of them. And Brother sponsored this video and made it possible, so I'm really hyped. I want to show it to you guys. So as I already mentioned, it's an all-in-one printer, so that means that you're getting faxing, scanning, and printing. It's also a wireless printer, and once you have this luxury, like, there's no going back. It's really good. So I'm gonna pop it open and try not to stab myself while doing so. Okay, so while we're opening this up, I just want to go over a couple features. So it has up to 1 year of ink in the box, and one of my biggest pet peeves with printers is that the ink just doesn't last long enough. You're getting 1 year out of box, which equates to about 150 pages approximately every month. So that's a lot of paper to be printing, so that seems pretty good. Lifting this out, it looks like we have our actual ink in here, more ink, cable. I think that's it in this section. We're gonna throw that to the side. And then the actual printer, which is white, which like kind of perfectly fits this office. I'm getting a new office, I needed the printer. I'm constantly printing shipping labels and shot lists and stuff, so this is like absolutely perfect timing. In here, we have a manual, like a quick setup guide. We'll be using this shortly. And we also have the actual printer here. Another pro of the printer is that you can sign up for automatic delivery through the Brother Refresh program, so it will see how much ink you have left and deliver ink when you need it. So that's another thing that you don't need to think about, and it's just such a smart feature. Okay, so here it is. So it's in this white color. You have your scanner up top. That looks really great, so you can copy or scan an item here. And then on the front, if we lean over here, you can see that we have a touch display, Wi-Fi, which means that you can print from your phone to this printer or from your computer, which is kind of a huge luxury, and you don't realize how much it's amazing until you're sitting on the couch and you just want to print something and you don't want to have to go over to your desk. It's pretty great. Okay, so it's saying here now, install starter ink. So we'll be doing that. Then it says open up the ink cartridge, which is, let's see, over here. And then insert each ink cartridge, pushing firmly. Close. So what's really nice about this is that it has this touch screen here, so you're able to interact with it fully. So we're gonna open all these things up and we'll do it. All right, so we have our ink here, so we're just gonna place these in, and they're pretty like efficiently sized. Like, they're not gonna take up too much space, but they're gonna last a long time. Click, clicked in. Certain printers, when you have to put in ink, it's like a whole job of like, where do you put it in? How does it click? That literally goes right there, and then it just pushes into place and you are good to go. So now we're gonna set up the printer. Again, you can use the touchscreen for this. So it's the 3rd month of the year, and today is the 23rd, and it is 4:43. So another really cool feature of this printer, and honestly, like, what I'd sum up this printer is that it's smart. Another really cool feature of it is that it has page gauge, so you can kind of see how many pages you have left that you can print with the current ink, and it will estimate that for you. That's a really nice feature to have. One of the most annoying things of the printer is like when you're trying to print something out and your image comes out or your text comes out all distorted because it's just missing a color. That won't happen to you here because you have the levels and the automatic ink coming to your door. It's really great. So it's just a really smart printer, and it feels like very 2019. All right, printer is all set up. Now I just gotta put in the paper. So I'm gonna pull out this tray, and then I'm just gonna put the paper in. Slides right in, and this has the ability to move, so you can fit in larger pieces of paper if you want. And we're just gonna put that right back in like that. We're good to go. So it printed something out, and this is the print quality sheet. That's kind of cool. So on here it shows all the different colors, and we just put in all these colors, so that's pretty sick. And then it shows you the information of the printer. Black, yellow, cyan, magenta. If okay, print results will be this. Are any of the dotted lines missing? No. So that was just a little print check. So I'm glad that it checks to make sure the quality is good. Print installation instructions now. No, we're gonna do that later. And now we're at the main screen. So on here, you can see you have a fax, a copy, and a scan. And you can also print out a photo, go on the web, or use an app. So let's say that we wanted to copy this sheet. We're gonna open this up, I mean, you guys all know how to use a printer, right? But this will just show an example of the quality of this guy. So put this up here, click copy, and we're gonna do color. So you have the option between black and white and color. I love that this is a color printer, especially for things in videos. I can now like print some background stuff and cut up. If I want to do some animation stuff, I can cut up shapes. So it copied it. That was really fast. It looks pretty good. And it's a really fast printer as well. With the Brother printer, another giant benefit of it is being able to print from your phone. So it offers AirPrint and its own app. So on the app, you can scan things in and print them right to the printer, but you can also use AirPrint on another software like Google Docs. So let's say that I need to print this script for a new video. I'm literally just gonna go over to the 3 dots, click share, and then print. And it's going to prepare to print it. I'm gonna click AirPrint because this is an iPhone. And then you see it already automatically connects the Brother printer, and I'm just gonna click print right here. You can hear the sound, and there we go. It's honestly that simple, and it's printed out. So that's one of the easiest ways to connect. You can also use their application to connect, but I think having AirPrint and the ability to print from your phone is a huge, huge benefit. And I can even like print something else. It says receiving data. And since it's a photo, it's gonna take a bit longer to print because there's a ton of data and colors in it. And it's starting to come out here. And I picked a very colorful photo with a really deep background. But it's great that you can print photos on here. And there it is. Looks pretty good. So this was a thumbnail from a while back. And I think it's awesome that you can just like print things that you want to frame maybe. Like the quality actually looks pretty good here and it's pretty colorful. I'm impressed with that. But that's this printer. It's an all-in-one. It's great for a home office setup. You get automated ink deliveries with Brother Refresh. You can be able to track how much ink you're using and how much you have left to print out pages. You get about 150 pages a month. It's a really solid option, and it's also a really compact option where you just tuck this screen away, and it's a really good size. It's also a great like off-white color. I think it will really fit well in your home office setup, in your house, in your regular office. This is gonna become something that I probably use on the near daily in this office. So I'm really hyped about it. The text and photo quality both look really good. So you can see it's a really great option. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video, making what I do on this channel possible, and also making this an awesome opportunity to share some cool tech with you. I know we want more home office tech, so I'm trying my best to push it out to you. If you like this video, smash that like button. That always helps. Subscribe right here because I have a ton of other content coming. Also, I feel like this is a first standing video that we've shot in the office, so smash the like button if you enjoyed that. Watch another video right here. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Bye.